Welcome to OneEnergy.nz. We are delighted to have you as part of our community and looking forward to supporting you with your hot water needs. This video will guide you through the steps to set up your Solflare system. First, head to OneEnergy.nz's homepage and select My Hot Water. This will take you to OneEnergy.nz, My PV site. Select Register and fill in your contact details. Once completed, an email will be sent to your account. Select Confirm Registration on your email. This will redirect you back to the OneEnergy site. Log in with your new account details. To add your Solflare device, select Add a device. To fill this out, you will need your serial number and device key. Fill in the device name as OneEnergy Hot Water. To find this information, select the Settings button on your Solflare device. Scroll to page 7 and select Cloud Connection. This will display your serial number and device key. Fill in these details. Select Save. Your Solflare device should now be added. This box shows your hot water's current temperature. This box is the heating power currently feeding from the solar panels into your hot water cylinder. You can switch on Grid Boost at any time with this button. Make sure to bookmark this page for easy access. Your setup is now complete.